Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So, in my last video, I mentioned that I got a new air conditioner, which I turned off for the purposes of the audio. But I wanted to insulate the garage door because it faces the east, and so it gets a lot of morning sun and puts a lot of heat into this room. So I bought this stuff that's from Amazon, and it's made for that. I was surprised at how thin it was. The material is pretty thin, but I went ahead and cut it all up into pieces and put it in all the panels, and I did it a little slowly, a little bit each night, and then now it's done, and I'm actually quite happy with it. It does a pretty good job of keeping the heat out of here. I do keep the air conditioner on a not too cold of a setting, just to sort of take the edge off of everything. And then when I come out here to do some work, I can always crank it up a little bit. But anyway, enough of that. I actually want to work on a project today. So, some of you have seen these restoration videos where it's pretty obvious that, like I've seen restoration videos where they'll say, "Oh, we found a guitar in the garage, and we restored it." And you look and you go, "No. They didn't leave that out. That wasn't out in a tool shed." First of all, who puts a Fender Stratocaster out in a tool shed without a case? And second of all, you can tell when they clean it up, that was stuff they put on it originally. So I guess my point is there's a lot of fake restorations out there. Not amongst the tool people that watch this channel. We all kind of know what real restorations look like. But I kind of have something like that today. Years ago, a repairman came and worked on something in my house, and he left a wrench. And I love the wrench, and I've used it a lot. I mean, it's not a wrench, it's like channel lock pliers. And then I sat it out on my back porch and kind of forgot about it for a long time, maybe a year, maybe more. Anyway, and here it is. So it looks pretty bad. It's all rusted out. It's a Kobalt, so it's from Lowe's. But I really like the size of it, and I just thought it would be worth the cleanup. So without further ado, let's clean it up. wasn't much to that, was there? You know, wire wheel, fiber wheel, Dremel tool, a little cleanup, that's it, you're done. Granted, this is not a Scout Crafter make it look beautiful thing, but it is clean and it's rust free, and it'll go back in my toolbox, and I won't leave it on the back porch now. So, hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.